friend, hopefully all of you will be fine. Today we are going to install operating system in HP Atom series where we don't have any CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. So we will install operating system using USB. First of all, you have to boot USB. I show in my first video how to boot USB. So let me show the message which will appear here. Boot image is missing. Look, it's mean in this system we don't have any operating system. Connect your USB in USB port. Then restart your system and press F9. Then select the USB. Press enter. Press enter again. Window file is loading now. So window file is uploading. You have to wait. Okay, select the language in which language you want to install your operating system. So I am going to select English. Then clicks on next. Install now. Click on install now. In this now partition will be appear in which partition you are going to install your operating system. Setup is starting. I will also show how to create different type of partition. So which type of operating system you are install, 64 bits or 32 bit. I am going to install 64 bit ultimate. Click on next. Click on license agree. I agree with term condition. Next. Customize. Click on customize. Then select the partition in which partition you are going to install. So you can install in any partition in which you want, but I am going to install this on partition number 2. You are also manage different partition from here. If you want to extend the size, so you delete all partition and create. But in partition which you are going to install, first format that partition. Click on OK. OK. Click on next. Window installation started. It will take up to 9 to 10 minutes, depend on your PC specification. Okay, installation started. Just wait. When installation complete, Don't remove your USB during installation. If you remove your USB or pen drive, so installation will be stopped and error message will appear on your screen. And you must ensure that you have charge 100% in your laptop. If you are not sure about charge, so plug with charger. You must wait for all installation process. Okay, expanding window files 100% uploaded. Now installation features, enter installation updates. Next we have installation features. During installation your system will be restored. Don't disconnect your USB, it will restart. You have to complete your installation. Still window installation continue. You have to wait for complete installation. Setup is updating. Okay, setup is starting services. It will take some time also. Still completing installation. So in Windows installation your system will be restarted so many times, so you don't have to disconnect USB. Still, if you don't know how to boot USB, first watch my first video. It will take some time again. Setup preparing. Window start successfully. First, name of your PC. Write the name. I am going to write HP 1. Next, create password. No, ask me later. Select your region or country. I am going to select Islamabad and Karachi. Type. Just drag and select your country. Okay, simply click on next. You want to connect with the Wi-Fi? No, skip. I will connect later. Windows 7 Ultimate. Install successfully. Okay, select the logo for your laptop. I am going to select HP, this one. Apply. Okay, again your system will be restart. This time it will prepare desktop icons. By default we have only one icon on a desktop. So how you will bring more icon on desktop? Let me show you. Preparing your desktop. Okay, by default we have only one icon, that is recycle bin. So simply right click here, personalize, select change desktop icon. Click on desktop icon. Which icon you want to select? I am going to select my computer, user file, network, and simply click on apply and OK. So icon are display here on desktop. If you want to change the background, so you can also change your desktop background from here. So the Windows completed successfully and installed successfully. Thank you for watching.